Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to open a box of something I've never opened, and it's 2013 Bowman football. It is a hobby box. One person on eBay had a really good deal on this. I know the 13 rookie class isn't, you know, aces, but it's still pretty decent. So you're looking for like Hopkins, who else is 13? You get 4 autographs and 1 relic card per box, so definitely worth taking a chance at the price I was able to get it. Let's see if we can get anybody good. And like I said, I've never opened this, so I've been trying to find some new and different stuff to open for the channel. I tend to latch on the boxes that I like and open them over and over and over again. So I thought I'd try to get something different for you guys. Alright, let's see what we can find in here. Big old fat packs. 4 autographs is a lot, and I'm sure it probably won't be anything too great, but you never know. There's a Gillisley. Let's see. Try to just call out some of the better ones. There's Mike Glennon. Not that he's one of the better ones. Here's a Keenan Allen black border D. Milliner, who bombed out. Sorensen red. Is this numbered? It is to 199. There's a Vets green and Gronk. D. Milliner again, like a hollow full parallel. And a green hollow full. Here's a little tiny Chase Thomas. I didn't even know these were in here. And the relic card is Prince Amukamara. Cornerback for the Giants. So that's hit number 1. And then we have Von Miller, Hakeem Nicks, Randall Cobb. These are good, like clean cards. I like the white version. So this is really cool. I mean, it's like a whole bunch of different stuff in each pack. And then we had the hit in this little mini of Chase Thomas. Alright, let's check out pack number 2. Nile Davis, Taylor, Tavon Austin, Manti Te'o, E.J. Manuel, J.J. Watt Black, and Trent Richardson. He was signing autographs at a card shop here in town this past weekend. Should have gone over there. I think he was only asking like $15 for each item signed. So Jonathan Franklin and Vincent Jackson. Faria mini. And our first autograph is Christine Michael. That's not bad. I'd forgotten this was his rookie year. Nice on card chrome refractor autograph. Cool. I'll take it. Cecil Shorts, Jamal Charles, Pierre Paul, Jordy Nelson, Julio, Mike Williams, and Kaepernick. Alright. Terrence Williams, there's Keenan Allen again, D. Milliner again, Jonathan Franklin again, Sean Williams, Zach Line, I have no idea who that is, Lonnie Pryor, Jameson, Stafford, and Kendall Wright. Here's a blue Bakari Rambo. This is numbered out of 499. Jared Allen, a mini of Kevin Minter. There's a die cut Von Miller. Denarius Moore, Jake Locker, Hayden, Darrell Rivas, Steve Johnson, Gresham, and Antonio Brown. don't think that there's another good rookie in 13. I can't think of who it is. Hopefully I pull him and then I'll know it when I see. Escobar, there's Barkley, Ezekiel's Anza, Green, Lester, Arthur Brown, Terrence Williams again, Ballard, Arian Foster, a Chance Warmack, blue. Arian Foster again. There's our next autograph, and it is Lonnie Pryor. Again, a good looking card, but Lonnie Pryor. And our mini, which I pretty much dropped and can't get off the table, is, oh god, Deion Jordan. And then we have Drew Brees, Rodgers, Murray, Marshall, Spiller in the snow, nice card there, Whedon, and Andrew Luck. Geno Smith, Jarvis Jones, Honey Badger. Here, this is who I was thinking of, Le'Veon Bell. I knew there was another top rookie out of this class, and I could not think of who it was. It's Le'Veon Bell. But we haven't pulled a DeAndre Hopkins yet. There's Dobson, Landry Jones, Jordan Reed. That's not a bad one if he could stay healthy. Colin Klein, Masonette, good one. Jonathan Banks, orange to $2.99. Jason Witten, Darren McFadden, Jonathan Hankins, full, Vic Ballard. Got two minis this time. John Jenkins. Oh, a mini Stedman Bailey autograph. That's not bad either. That is actually really cool. I love a good mini. That is really nice. So that's 3 autographs and 1 mem card already. There's Sue, Sherman, Curley, Green Ellis, Garcon, and AP. Wow, I'm really digging that mini. Barner, Sorensen, Klein, Masonette, Goodwin, Lester, Brown, Poyer. There's Mantateo again, Kenny Stills, Denard Robinson, not bad. Xavier Rhodes, gold to $3.99. Quinn, Russell Wilson, Kobe Hamilton, Nick Fairley. Oops, looks like we got some kind of parallel. Those are EJ Manuel mini. And who is this? Jason Witten. That's a cool card. It's not numbered, but it's definitely a good looking card. There's Rogers, White, Thomas, Arakpo, Foles, and Romo. I had opened a box of 2015 Bowman football, and it was fun, and so I expected this to be, and yeah, it's delivering. I like that it has so many different things to look at in here. Bailey, Vernon, there's Minter, Lutzenkirchen. He actually got killed in a car crash. Kerwin Williams, Cordero Patterson, Nassib, Rhodes, Rambo, Scott, Barner, Sorensen, Marshawn Lynch, Michael Crabtree, Keenan Allen, Hollowful, Darren McFadden, Hankins, and our autograph. Are you kidding me? Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. That is freaking awesome. Le'Veon Bell rookie autograph. Oh my god. Shut your face. Sweet. Wow. That is crazy. And just think, this box has probably been floating around out there, sitting on some shelf for forever with this nice Le'Veon Bell autograph in there. That is too good. Man, that's awesome. Woo. Jeez Louise. That is sweet. Got 3 more packs. I was about to say maybe I'll get another autograph, but let's not be greedy. This has been a great box. The Christine Michael, the Bailey mini autograph, Le'Veon Bell. God, that's crazy. There's Woods. There's Hopkins. I was looking for you, Mr. Hopkins. Thanks for showing up to the party. Okafor, Deion Jordan, Gio Bernard, Eddie Lacy, Jones, Hamilton, Franklin, Otten, Hartline. Here's a blue Phillip Rivers to 99. And another parallel Aaron Dobson to 99. 1 of 99. There's a Gronk, Gillisley mini, Frank Gore die cut, Smith, Bradford, Manning, Jones Drew, Palomalu, Hernandez, and Tannehill. Alright. Wow, that was just crazy good. Rogers, Michael, Greg, Burkhead, Ogletree, Harper, Patton, Ellington, Davis Black and Fuller Black, Taylor, a blue Ray Graham rookie, Macklin Black and Nick Fairley, Tone Jones and Hartline, Robert Lester, Alabama boy, mini, and another one of those crazy parallels that I don't know what they're called. Bakari Rambo, Matthews, Peterson, Keekly, Megatron, Alfred Morris, Manning, and Jimmy Graham. And our last pack. Zach Ertz. I forgot these are two. I forgot was in the 13 rookie class. Ertz and Eifert. Trufant, Ball, Simon, Chase Thomas, Tavon Austin Black, Sam Montgomery, Jared Allen, Vincent Jackson, a Cordero Patterson Gold 399, Macklin Hollifold, Poyer Mini, Fitzgerald die cut, and then we finish it off with Gore, Rudolph, Ridley, Torrey Smith, Schaub, Decker, and McCoy. But the star of the show, hey y'all, look at me, on card, Le'Veon Bell rookie autograph. Well, you can't see my face, but I'm smiling. Woo! And let's go ahead and look at the other hits, because I'm still liking this little mini too. Lonnie Pryor, you can go on Lonnie Pryor, but this Christine Michael, that's a good one too. And the Mukamara jersey. What a box. That was tons of fun. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks so much. I appreciate you being here. Please like and subscribe. Take care of yourself. Take care of others. And I'll be back with my next box break soon.